Welcome to the T-Sharp video on the EM2000, a new concept which simplifies the sharpening of scissors for the Beautician. The EM2000 is a multi-purpose honing machine which can be used to sharpen any fine cutting edge and a bevel at an approximate 45-degree angle. Inspect each scissor for the diamond disc to remove the wear area and reshape the edge. Position the second scissor on the disc to remove its wear area. Position the scissor on the disc to smooth its bevel. Use a light downward pressure when drawing the scissor across the disc. Set the direction switch so that the disc rotates with the edge to avoid cutting the leather. Use a light downward pressure when drawing the scissor across the disc apart as you close, and then open the scissors. Repeat this several times before closing the scissors normally. Test the scissors by cutting the latex test variety of bits for different screw sizes.
Press the wheel onto the side motor spindle with the set screw aligned to the flat on the spindle. Use the included Allen wrench to tighten the wheel to the shaft. It is helpful to understand the geometry of the nippers. The first step is to sharpen the edges by honing the inside bevels. And starting at the heel of the nipper, hone the bevel to the tip. Set the wheel rotation to turn with the direction that the edge is pointing. Use light pressure and hone evenly. Is to align the cutting edges. This involves filing evenly across the two edges, creating the secondary bevel. Light shows through at the tips, then there is a gap that will need to be removed. Use a 3-square diamond needle file if you have a gap at the tip. If you have a small V-groove at the tip of the nippers, don't worry about a bevel. Apply Easy Clean as a lubricant to the Arkansas. File evenly across the two edges with the Arkansas. The edges are aligned, or you may still have burrs on the inside bevel. Create a small secondary bevel of approximately 1/32 of an inch. The nippers should have a good point. You can have the red rubber disc on one spindle and the leather disc on the other. You use the diamond wheel to relieve the hinge. There are 4 hinge stops, 2 on the top. Keep checking the closure to see if you have removed enough metal so that the edges come together. This concludes our video on the sharpening of nippers.